Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the highlighter animations on the captions in CapCut. So here, just add the videos that you want to generate its caption and add the highlighter animation. And after that, click on the video, or you can also just go straight to captions. And here, don't forget to choose the language and also the sound source. After that, you can click on generate to start generating the captions for your videos. So after the captions are show up like this, here you can click on the caption. If you want to, you can change the style first before adding the animation. So I'm going to change the style, for example, to I'm going to use the yellow. Now click on the animation, click on the captions tab, and let's apply the highlighter animation. So find the highlighting animations in here. So I'm going to scroll down. Let's find it. Okay, this one's right here, highlighting. And here, don't forget to make it apply to all of the our caption. Click on the check icon now, and this is the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.